Good morning, children. Welcome to another interesting video class of chapter Magnetism. In this session, we will discuss about magnetic field. Children, first of all, let's know what is magnetic field. The region around a magnet where its influence is felt is called magnetic field. Let us perform an activity to study the magnetic field around a magnet. For this activity, we require a sheet of white paper, a drawing board, we require a bar magnet and some iron filings. First of all, we will fix a white sheet of paper on a drawing board. So you can see I have fixed it on the drawing board. Now, we will spread some iron filings over the sheet. Look. So we are spreading these iron filings evenly on the sheet of paper. So all of you can see here. So see, all the iron filings are there on the paper now. Now what are we going to do? We are going to place a bar magnet in the middle of white paper. So just look carefully. Okay. And now we are going to tap it. So let's tap it. All right. Let's tap once more. Okay, children. So can you see something? Can you observe? So what can we observe in this case? It can be seen, children, that the iron filings rearrange themselves in the form of curves. So all of you can see these are the curves. Iron filings, they are rearranged in the form of curves. Children, it is because the iron filings experience magnetic force and get attracted towards the magnet. So what is magnetic force? It is the force with which the magnet is attracting the iron filing towards itself, and this area, this region is called magnetic field. Okay, so this area where the magnetic force can be experienced, this is known as, your children, magnetic field. So there is magnetic field around the magnet. From this activity, it has been concluded. Children, we cannot see the magnetic field. We can only feel its presence by the attraction of magnetic substances such as iron, cobalt, nickel near the magnet. Now children, observe carefully the path along which the iron filings rearrange themselves in the magnetic field. These are the magnetic field lines. So these imaginary lines along which the iron filings have arranged themselves, these are known as, children, magnetic lines of force. A set of curves around the magnet, these curves we are talking about, is called magnetic line of force. Outside the magnet, they travel from North Pole to the South Pole. And inside the magnet, they will travel from South Pole to the North Pole in the opposite direction. Alright. So through this activity, you can see the magnetic lines of force. You can see the magnetic field around the magnet. Thank you, children.